Are you looking for the best billiard gloves? Billiard gloves are a small but critical piece of gear that can influence cue control, stroke consistency, and comfort over long sessions. A well-designed glove reduces friction, wicks moisture, and provides a predictable feel on the cue tip, helping players maintain a smooth, fluid stroke from break to finish. For players at all levels, the best glove should balance tactile sensitivity with slip resistance, all while being comfortable to wear over long periods of play.
Product number 1. Miyuchi Elite Stroke Billiards Glove. Overview. The Miyuchi Elite Stroke Glove emphasizes ultra-thin lycra to minimize drag while preserving tactile sensitivity, complemented by an anti-slip pad to boost grip under a wide range of table conditions. It uses reinforced seams for durability and sports a distinctive 3-gray pinstripe design for a premium aesthetic. The product is offered in multiple sizes with left-hand, right-hand, and unisex options, targeting players of all levels. Notably, the listed price is $24.99, and the glove focuses on breathable, lightweight performance with padded features as a secondary benefit. Performance and user experience. The glove is designed to feel near skin, which can help players tune their sense of cue alignment. The anti-slip padding works by providing a stable contact area without excessively constraining finger movement, making it suitable for players who want consistent contact without sacrificing feel. The reinforced seams contribute to longevity under aggressive play, though some users may find the fit slightly snug if using a smaller size. Overall, it suits players who prioritize grip security and traditional aesthetics in a 3-finger left-hand design.
Product number 2. Billiard Pool Glove. For overview, Fit 5 offers a left-hand 3-finger glove built from spandex with double-stitched construction, a breathable mesh palm, and an adjustable wrist strap. The design focuses on a snug fit with a secure wrist closure and anti-slip silicone in the palm region. Priced at $8.99, it targets value-conscious players who want a dedicated left-hand glove with straightforward adjustability and a clean, functional appearance. Performance and user experience. The fabric combination prioritizes comfort and airflow, which helps reduce sweat during long sessions. The 3-finger design aims to preserve cue feel while providing the necessary support for stability. The wrist strap allows players to dial in tension for a precise fit. However, being a left-hand-only model, right-handed players will need to look elsewhere. The glove's durability appears solid for its price, and its breathable mesh is a clear advantage in warmer play environments.
Product number 3. YFY Billiard Pool Gloves Overview. YFY's left-hand 3-finger glove emphasizes a spandex-based back, breathable butterfly mesh palm, and suede with non-slip silicone for grip. It touts a second skin feel with strong double-stitch construction and a left-hand orientation aimed at providing a balance of comfort and control for players who want a snug, responsive fit. The price is listed as $10.80, positioning it as an affordable option in the 3-finger left-hand category. Performance and user experience. The back material, high-elasticity spandex, should reduce wrinkles and restriction, enhancing finger mobility. The butterfly mesh palm provides ventilation, which, combined with anti-slip silicone, helps maintain a reliable stroke under longer sessions. The 3-finger design assists bridge hand control without sacrificing cue contact, making it appropriate for players who prioritize feedback from the table. As with other left-hand gloves, sizing and fit can be highly individualized, so careful size selection is important. Product number 4. Sivanar 8 Pieces 3-Finger Pool. Overview. Sivanar sells a multi-pack of 8 left-hand 3-finger gloves made from breathable nylon. The one-size-fits-most approach includes a hook and loop closure and adjustable design, targeting casual players who want multiple gloves or to share with others. The gloves are intended for left-hand use and are marketed as practical accessories for billiards, carom, and snooker play. Performance and user experience. The nylon construction provides a lightweight feel and quick drying, making these gloves suitable for frequent usage and easy maintenance. The 3-finger configuration promotes airflow and finger flexibility, which can help with cue alignment. The one-size approach can be a pro for buyers buying in bulk,
but it may require more attention to fit accuracy for individual hands. The pack quantity is a clear advantage for households or clubs with multiple players.
Product number 5. IBS 3 Fingers Billiard Overview. IBS offers a professional 3-finger glove in multiple colors designed with spandex for a snug feel. The glove is marked as ambidextrous in some listings, but primarily promoted for 3-finger use, and it emphasizes a classic, solid design suitable for snooker and billiards play. The product has a strong rating, 4.7, and a long shelf presence dating back to 2017, indicating established performance in the market. Performance and user experience. The spandex material and professional styling aim to deliver a dependable balance between grip and feel. The 3-finger approach helps maintain cue feedback while providing cover against moisture during long sessions. Ambidextrous labeling can create confusion for some buyers, but the stated design supports flexible left and right-handed setups in certain contexts. The glove's color options and solid construction make it a versatile option for public clubs and competitive play.